Hey everyone, I'm Julia from Cephable, and let's learn more about our camera controls today. That includes face expressions like raising your eyebrows or opening your mouth, or head movements like tilting and turning to do anything that you would otherwise do with your keyboard and your mouse. So where do we get started? So we're here on the dashboard, and if we scroll down to Explore Profiles, it'll bring you to our pre-built profile library where you can filter by which type of input you would like to use. So we're talking face expressions today, so we can click there, see all the pre-built profiles that include that input, or if you need some additional options, use our AI profile wizard or start from scratch. I've already chosen one for us today called Media Controls, which is available in that library. We can take a look inside by hitting the three dots either beside Current Profile or down here under the drop-down menu. Inside this profile, you can see the entire list of control options. I want to focus on just one of them today. If we click inside of Play and Pause, you can see that when I open my mouth, Cephable will tap the spacebar, which is the control that we need for watching a YouTube video. I'm going to pull one up and we're going to watch it in action. A couple more quick tips. You can start that expression control overlay by either this button at the top or the one down here in the middle of the screen. You can also resize or move this overlay to whichever place on your screen works the best for you. I'm going to go ahead and pause expression control so that I'm not getting any inputs. Also wanted to show you, you can toggle on and off those face lines, just your preference. Additionally, if you have multiple cameras set up, you can switch between cameras connected to your computer. And if you switch resting posture, you can update your baseline using this button here. I hope you